Here we are, yeah. I'm on my way to Stonebarns. Might not turn into a video, might turn into a video, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. It depends who's there. I know Stu's going to be there because he messaged me, and I think Andy's going to be there, and Derek. Will Derek make it? I hope he does. I'd love to see Derek or catch up with him about his Yorkshire trip. Yeah, he couldn't keep away, could he? He was backwards and forwards all the time. Oh, it's marvellous. But there you go, we'll find out what we got here. Oh, we got a Naughty Boy quad and a Kawasaki 125, Z125 I reckon. Marvellous little bikes, of course, for apprentice naughty boys. Let's see, is it going to be busy? Oh, look at that. Naughty boy, naughty boy. Yeah, it's just marvellous. Oh, where they're taking us. They're making us go in a different way. Oh, marvellous. What's going on here? Look at this. Something very different. Oh, we shut off from there. Oh, that's marvellous. God, look at that. Matchless. Oh, I've got to have a look at that. Oh, very different. Oh, there's JD. JD's made it. Oh, that's marvellous. But I'm going to park next to this Naughty Boy on the Naughty Boy quad. Look at that. Oh, I bet he's done a wheelie or two on that. Right, I'll catch you in a bit when I find my bearings. Ta-ta. Now, look at this. Yeah, matchless. There you go, if you want to buy it. 1967, £8,500. Matchless trials. It's just marvellous, isn't it? Look at that. Excellent bike. A lot of money, but I don't know where you'd find another one. It's just lovely. Yeah, I like that. It's got 1 mile on there according to that clock. Suspect it's done a bit more than that. Rebuilt engine and gearbox, correct magneto, new exhaust system, re-chromed original rims, reconditioned speedo with new drive box. Oh, some spare parts included as well. Look at that, marvellous. Yeah, there are some marvellous bikes here, so I'll get round and have a look at some others. Right, and here we go. Look at this. Now we're talking. Yeah, do you remember this? Oh, look at that, marvellous. Still being used, plenty of miles on it. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 120-year special with that marvellous paint job. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, just lovely, isn't it? Very special bike indeed, and it's been used and treated just like a bike should be, which is marvellous, isn't it? Yeah, but here's the story for this evening. Look at this, just wonderful. BSA, I don't know, is this an M21 or something like that? I don't know what it is, but it is lovely, and it's got 100 stories to tell, I'll bet. Just wonderful. Yeah, look at that exhaust. Everything looks just so original on it. What a marvellous bike. And look, one of those mudguards that lifts up so you can take the wheel out. Oh, it's just so much cleverer back in the day. Just marvellous. Yeah, that's what I'd say about this. Just wonderful. Yeah, like that a lot. Yeah, no, they come like that. Yeah. Just looking at this Royal Enfield Classic 500. Oh, marvellous. Stu was just asking about the shocks with the little cylinder attached to them. Yeah, no, they come with us, Stu. You won't believe it. I took mine off though. I got some Koenigs given from Australia. Can you believe it? Yeah. Marvellous in this colour though. Absolutely marvellous. I would like Bertie to have been this colour, but there you go. Bertie is Bertie. Marvellous. And it's next to a Scram. Look at that, marvellous. Surrounded by naughty boys. Oh, what's this here? That looks quite nice. Oh, Ducati Scrambler, of course. Marvellous. Yeah, that does look fun. Again, naughty boys bikes as well. Yeah. And of course, Triumph Bonneville T100 black. That's marvellous. Yeah, lovely. Like the brown seat. Look at that, they always look lovely. Reminds me of GBD, yeah. Oh, orange crush. Oh, and a helmet to match. Oh God, is that your helmet? Where did you get the helmet? The same colour?
Well, just standard shoey. I had that for years. Only got fight yesterday.
Oh my God. Oh,
Pure
you've done what I
coincidence.
did. I bought a helmet that was grey and I had to go and buy a motorbike that was grey. That's a great excuse.
No, it's just coincidence. It's tame, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought it was nice voice, yeah.
Yeah, I'm afraid it is. It's marvellous, isn't it? Original and the best colour, I think.
I think. I only picked it up yesterday.
Oh, well, that helmet.
You can see it. The guys looked after it, didn't it? Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. Lovely. And it matches the bottom half of your Kawasaki.
Yeah. Except it's old.
Yeah. Marvellous. Yeah. Excellent. Oh, right, everyone's starting to go, I think. There are a few coming. But I'm going, so I'm going to get back on the bike. Yeah, V-Strom, marvellous. Yeah, so, oh, Stu's Motor Guzzi, look at that. That's marvellous, isn't it? Yeah, marvellous bike. Yeah, just look at it, lovely. But sun's getting low, time to go. Ta-ta. So we're just looking at that bike again, all on its own. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And round here as well is this T140. I missed it. It's just marvellous. Just look at that. Oh, T1, yeah, T140, I reckon it is 750. Look at that. Just absolutely lovely. Yeah, 1978. This will be a model my dad had, and I think he had one in that colour. He also had a brown and like mustardy yellow one as well. Marvellous. But there's Buddy, so I'll get on there and see what happens. Yeah. Right, I can't see what you can see. The sun's straight in my eyes. Stu's going home with JD, yeah, and I'm going home on my own. So there we go. We'll leave the naughty boys to it. Bye. It's marvellous. See you later. Oh, look at that AJS as well. That's marvellous. But there we go. Oh, another marvellous evening at a bike night. Now my question is, do I publish this one in summer, or do I save it for winter when everyone's missing bike nights? Yeah, I'll probably get it out. I don't know. I can't help myself. It gives me a reason to go back out and make another film, doesn't it? Yeah, marvellous. But marvellous evening, marvellous bikes as usual, and marvellous people. I mean, what else can you say? And got some more drone footage as well, which is nice. Very good to Mark. It's not going to be here at the next one, but hopefully the one after. Ta. The JD goes off the other way. marvellous. And we've got this lovely ride now that's I find so therapeutic, just marvellous. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this little video. Lots of subscribers and people asking what about the channel. It's always nice. And lovely of Mark again to supply the drone footage. Lots of noisy bikes there tonight as well. And what about, oh, he's just cleaning his windows in front. He's just cleaned my face. Marvellous. It's probably because he can't see going into the, yeah, and now I can't see either with my visor down. It's just lovely, isn't it? Yeah, that Interceptor in Gap Van Dirk's colour, yeah, lovely. And getting the helmet to match, I mean, oh, he had to go and buy that, didn't he? He was stuck with the helmet in that colour, and I don't know of any other bike. I suppose the Triumphs do one similar colour, but what a marvellous evening all round. I feel very relaxed after that, yeah. So, as usual, I'm going to leave the camera rolling. Just so that you can see this lovely view the other side, though it is marred by this van, and despite me going slowly, he seems to be going even slower. So I'm going to back right off and just have a look as we go over this gently rolling and twisting road. Cows are up now. It's marvellous. Yeah, right, let's get going. I'm holding people up. I don't know what bike it is behind me, but it's an old one and it looks lovely. Yeah, it is somewhat marred by that van, isn't it? Unfortunate, but there you go. And then we shall there you go. So Buddy has a turn of speed about him when necessary and makes a wonderful noise, it's got to be said. And every time I come round into the sun, I can't see anything. Oh, marvellous.